Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Gmail error code 9. As per our research, the error mainly comes when users try to sign in to their Gmail account on a new device. Many users shared that the error only appears on a specific device, while Gmail works fine on others. According to our research, this error may be caused by a network issue, browser-related problems, or interference from installed extensions or antivirus programs. First, check the internet connection you are using. If there is any fluctuation, it might cause issues while trying to access your Gmail account. The next thing to check is your browser. Simply clear the browser cache and cookies and then try again. Or open Gmail in incognito mode. If the error still comes, then look at the extensions installed on your browser. Simply disable them one by one while trying to load Gmail in a new tab. This will help identify if any extension is causing the issue. If the error still persists, then try accessing Gmail using the basic HTML version and see if the error still appears. If the error still comes, then temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes they interfere with Gmail's functionality. Just make sure to turn them back on once done testing. If you still get the error, then try using another supported and updated browser like Firefox, Edge, or Safari. At last, if nothing helps, then test Gmail on another device. If it works there, then the issue is likely specific to your new device's setup. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.